Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing and opening the controls menu. This avoids losing a working setup. First, save or note your current profile so you can revert if needed. Then, open Settings and navigate to Controls. Pick the profile you want to change. Make sure to temporarily disable any active input overlays or conflicting device mappings so the game reads only the device you intend to remap. Once done, you're ready to assign new inputs without accidental assignments or duplicate bindings. You now remap inputs one action at a time so nothing breaks unexpectedly. Start with primary controls like movement and confirm each new key or button registers without conflicting bindings. Next, change secondary actions, abilities, interaction, and camera so the muscle memory builds logically. Use short tests in training mode after each group to verify responsiveness and latency. If you notice double assignments, unbind the extra key and reassess the layout. This step-by-step approach reduces mistakes and speeds up learning the new scheme. You finish by saving and labeling the new control profile so you can switch back if you need to. Then, play a full match to test endurance and ergonomics. Make micro adjustments where you feel strain or misfires. If something goes wrong, first restart the game and reconnect your device. That clears driver or detection glitches. If problems persist, restore the backed-up profile and reapply changes more gradually. One key troubleshooting tip: a quick profile restore gets you back in game while you diagnose the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.